Picture this, the life of a property manager, juggling rent collection, maintenance requests, tenant applications. Overwhelming, isn't it? But in this digital age, we have a solution. Welcome back, Loopers. I'm your host, Andrew Chung. In this video, we're diving deep into the top property management software that come with tenant portals. As a disclaimer, I work for DoorLoop, and this video is produced by DoorLoop. Now, before we jump into our top picks, let's clarify what makes great property management software. Look for features like automatic rent payments, streamlined maintenance order management, easy online applications, and automatic vacancy listings. So here are our top picks. First on the list is DoorLoop. Beyond its comprehensive suite of features, it's known for its intuitive design and stellar customer service. From allowing tenants to pay rent online and manage maintenance requests to providing property owners with transparency through their own portal, DoorLoop covers all the bases. Pricing starts at just $49 per month for up to 20 properties. Moving on, we have Rentroom. A unique feature is its community-centric design, making it ideal for condos, multifamily units, and HOAs. Rentroom's pricing starts at $49.99 for up to 15 tenants. Then there's TenantCloud. A pocket-friendly option, it offers solid foundational features like work order management and vendor payments. TenantCloud's basic starter plan starts at $15 per month of paying monthly and $12 per month of paying annually. Rent Manager is for those who love an extensive feature list. It includes accounting features and vendor payments. With a wide array of functionalities, it's a powerhouse. Rent Manager's basic pricing plan starts at $1 per unit per month with a $200 monthly minimum. And last but not least, there's Propertyware. It's the go-to for large portfolios, boasting some of the best accounting features. Propertyware has features like maintenance order management and an owner portal. Its basic plan is $1 per unit per month with a $250 minimum and an implementation fee of 2 times the monthly subscription price. Every property manager has unique needs. Whether you prioritize pricing, features, or user-friendliness, there's a software for you. Curious about DoorLoop? Schedule your free demo today. Click on the link in the description below. You'll see how DoorLoop can help make property management easier. Well, that's it for this video. If you have questions about this video, leave a comment in the section below. Let us know what videos you'd like to see. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so we can get this information to more real estate professionals. If you want to join a community with other real estate professionals, join our exclusive Facebook community with the link in the description. And to learn more about property management tips, click this playlist here. We'll see you there.